As the actors all bow to their soft ending call, distorted that destination moving world that starts it all, the pieces all fall. The final act was just a daydream filled up with pity, but honestly, still it was me who just watched on silently. The memory comes back to me, the sky and the setting summer sun's harmony. Let's return, now's our turn. We'll make sure that no one hurts. Be a fool who never took a hand out for her. Will she never learn? Hold it tight, I bleed and fight for that revolving light. Reaching beyond the night, I'll take these words and pray the red will reach your side. Merely passing by this rotting light, the feelings left behind. Such a story that should never have existed. Our little fake brigade of friends, I never wanted it to end. The useless tears you cannot see, I'll fade into the sky and see. And even if I still don't know